Hello, welcome back. I'm going drifting again. Thought I'd start video a bit more video like this time. So we're here, back at the unit. Car is running, car is good. I have done a lot to it these past couple of days. Not filmed it just because I was on such a deadline. But it's now running, boost gauge fitted for monitoring reasons. So last video I mentioned the boost not being right. So that has now got, I don't know if you can see it just down there, it's got a brand new boost controller on, and down in front here we've got a nice new fancy front mount that we've got fitted, and it's now really sweet, full power, full beans. I'm looking forward to tomorrow with it now. The original intercooler, I had seen better days. This is the old intercooler, as you can see. Yeah, it's not best. It was leaking, so a nice little puddle of oil forming underneath the intercooler where we're actually leaking out. And so behind it, I put photo up here, we're just completely blocked and caked in shit. So it was not doing a job at all. So it was struggling in that sense. So it's not leaking anymore, and it's actually getting cool air into the engine. So big win. All I'm kind of here for today are tools, jack, and amongst other things that I need just in case while I'm at the track. So I'm gonna grab all them.
Save my money when I die for the fan. Always make a sale, cat to Moran. Shawty tryna play some games where I don't play Catan. I'm a plug, she an outlet, cut up Mr. Middleman. Yeah, I got ass that she wants to come see. Yeah, only speak the truth, hyperbole. Facts. Goddamn, I sound good on this beach. Extraterrestrial ET flame suit, French letter, and my girl bad. Gatekeeper says open, I ain't come back. 15-minute TED talk collecting 40 rags. 1 million paid in tax, bitch, do the math. Do the math, do the math. 1 million paid in tax, bitch, do the math. Do the math, 1 million paid in tax, bitch.
And we're here. Car made it. So just waiting for driver's meeting, and I'll be out on track. There's like no one here today, so I'm just gonna be going constantly. Good fun, yes, can't wait. Okay, first laps. Let's see how we get on. It's a bit later on it day. I have been helping one of the other lads fix a blower and flexi line on his hydro. So it's now 11:30. We've let the nerves kind of settle. It's still nerve-wracking going out for your first lap, but I definitely feel better about it now. So see if we can throw some down. Very empty today. There's like 6 of us here, so it's all just fucking fair game at the minute. Picked up. So scary actually. Right. So it's first few laps down. That never gets old, that feeling. That's fucking right fun. When you get all track right and you get it all linked up. A bit rough to start with, obviously, 'cause it's been a couple of weeks. But we move. I've still got all day. Still like 4 or 5-ish. So these laps are later on in the day after I managed to fix up the lad's car that set on fire in the morning. It's just his flexible hose that melted, so I re-ran a new copper pipe. So yeah, while we were doing that, I kind of picked his brain for some tips, and I'm kind of putting them into practice now to get speed for this corner here. And as you can probably tell, it clearly worked. I'll get more speed into the corner, I'll be able to carry it through. I was able to link the entire track just from what he told me, so big help. So this lap here is my first proper little taste of doing a lead line. It's that ready 36 that I've just passed then. He starts getting a bit close to me and pushing me. He does it a lot more later in the day as well. But as you can probably hear. Yeah, he's getting right up close to me. You can see him just pop up there in my driver's mirror. Again on this lap you can kind of see me past the E36 and he starts chasing me down again. So this entire lap is him just kind of trying to get close to me. He does do it more later and a lot better, so keep watching to make sure you see that. These wet laps, when we finally got the lad in the MX-5 back out, so you can hear him in the background on these clips, his turbo flutter and everything. He were keeping pretty close to me, you can see him in the rearview mirror. There is a bit of a close call later on as well, so we'll just let these play. I was just really proud of this lap, so I thought I was going to throw it in, and do a good big entry in this one. This session again, I had the MX-5 chasing me down, trying to keep close. I did have a bit of a fuck up in this one, but I managed to save it, so that's why I've left it in. I'm quite proud of it. Okay, so this was the last session I managed to film of the day. I did have one more session after this, but I didn't film it like I did, so that's missing. Yeah, these last few laps were really my best of the day, so I'm just going to let him play. Again, that ready 36 were on me in these laps, you can hear them there. Okay, it's a few days later and I completely forgot to record an outro clip. So, thanks for watching. I will be doing another one, I think it's the 1st of October. I've got a few bits to sort on car in between, so if you want to see them, let me know. Drop a comment, don't forget to like, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you next time.
Taking my big ass bag for Sony. I'm designing my shit Adobe. Sailed in 7 seas, got dick like Moby. Crazy little freak, tryna jump in my sheet, cause she know that I do the